Hello, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group, and today I want to answer the question about which renovations should you make to get the biggest return on your investment. When it comes to renovations, there's always two areas that I tell folks about. One, the kitchen. In the kitchen area, there's several improvements that you can do as far as changing the countertops, flooring, appliance packages, down to the cabinetry. And the second would be in the master bathroom. Buyers are starting to look at bathrooms that create that spa experience, all the way from the different amenities in a shower to the different types of bathtubs, even the different types of fixtures around the sink area. But I always like to say, hey, before you spend a lot of money taking on a big project, really think about, are you planning to stay in the home, or you really want to put a lot of money into something that you might not get all of your return back? So if you have any other questions about renovations or even selling or buying a home, feel free to contact me at my information below.